640.
Sabi ko, ano?
Dougie, you told me you been on some positive shit. Yeah, yeah. Lately, I just wanna show up and body some shit. Yeah, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately, this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving.
Tuto. Springtime. About to spring.
All my life. They been trying to keep me down. All this time.
Melan nag-sleep. Tapos pa rin ang ulan. Ang hirap mag-enjoy. Mga sleeping. Sleeping! Dami sila nag-aan si UJ. Hindi mo mapansin, no?
Pumansin ka naman.
Oo.
Never thought I'd make it out. No, no. No. All my life. They be trying to keep me down. I decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I done sat with the mayor and politicians.
Ang meat. Plant-based vegan sa 7-Eleven. May extra ketchup.
Politicians, I'm trying to change the image. UK